Malakas na trio ng Gilas na saksihan yan sa unang dalawang laro ng Gilas, lalo na nung kontra Thailand at kaaabangan lalo na ngayon kontra Jordan. Napakagandang nabuong trio ni Coach Tim Cone sa Gilas Pilipinas sa katauhan nila Scotty, CJ and Calvin. Nag-complement yung laruan nila. Si Scotty yung nagsiset ng play sa dalawang ito, yung pagiging playmaker ni Scotty yung nagsiset ng play kila CJ and Calvin, at yung pagiging slasher ni CJ Perez and shooter ni Calvin Optana, malaking bagay sa team. Kaya kahit anong depensang talagang ibigay ng kalaban dito, may opsyon ang Gilas. Pag pinagsabay-sabay na nga ang tatlo, sila nga yung tatlong player na kabilang rin sa di masyadong nabibigyan ng pagkakataon nung nakaraang World Cup. Pero ngayon, ito't malaki pala ang maitutulong at naibubuga para sa Gilas Pilipinas.
That's the right thing to do. This field goal. That's the reason why he's here. Tyler Lamb from outside. Scotty Thompson, the go-ahead pass. CJ Perez all the way. It's out rebounding. Thailand 15-10. Optana corner. Finally, first three of the game. This is big. This is an 8 to 4. That is exactly what is happening. Perez foul. Got the shot in. All part of the triangle offense that are from the two-point range. But Scotty Thompson this time around made sure. Buti na lang nag-celebrate screen from Kwame. Nice backdoor cut. Ang ganda rin ang hanap ni Optana at release ka first half. Ginawa yung tres doon ni Morgan. Watch it, we gotta watch it. Oh no, that was just so clean right there. To Brownlee, the pass to Thompson, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Thompson finds an opening and lays it in. There you go, this is filthy brand of basketball. 3 points already, Brownlee to Perez for the layup. Perez now with 10. Defense to offense, that's what we need. The bounce pass inside, Jack Rawad. Well, one-footer is no good. Oh, that's a third movie. Ball is loose in the hands now of Scotty Thompson. And Squame hesitated for a bit. Finally, bounce pass, CJ Perez, reverse is good. Plus the foul from Loser. That's what happens, 29. This is for Jakrawan, he has 4 points. Kita mo yan, no? Hindi mabasa ni Junmar. But ball returns to the Philippines and a wild layup there from CJ Perez. Held ball. Final minute of the match. Philippines up by 10.
Come on.